AI agent is basically a software system that can interact with its environment, right? That's important, but it can also reason, plan, and act, right? So it can create self-directed tasks. So how does it do it, right? So if you have an agent obviously has in a background some kind of LLM, large language model. But if you just have a large language model, you have nothing else but a chatbot, right? Not even a
And
reactive assistant, it's just a chatbot, right?
well,
Yeah,
and some reasoning, I guess, with based on the
exactly.
model, based on the model. Yeah, but yes, you're
Yeah.
right. Exactly.
And then in order to interact with the environment, you need something which is called tools, right? So, and tools is nothing else but piece of software that actually run because agents are actually not very good in mathematics or you actually need to give them algebra, right? Give them that functionality and add function that add 2 + 2, for example, or even better, call weather APIs and get weather for Munich or things like that. So that's already two things, right? So it's a LLM and it's a set of tools that where agent has access. It has also a context, right? So context like background information to act as a friendly assistant for company A or company B. So we can actually come into tenancy mode now. And then there are instructions, right? And instructions and goals is something that you say to agent, give me a weather for Athens and book flight tomorrow, right? So it will actually then go into that agentic loop. It will understand that it needs to call tool for weather, and then it will actually understand that it needs to go and call Lufthansa agent or Expedia agent and then book flight for me, right? So thanks to that LLM is able to reason to say, okay, this is what I need to do. These are the tools that I need to call in order to execute that. And then it will execute them, put everything together in a nice human response and send it back to you, right?
Love it.